Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E. Vitamin E is a vital fat-soluble antioxidant, crucial for maintaining good health. It naturally occurs in 8 distinct chemical forms, with alpha-tocopherol being the most biologically active and commonly found. This essential nutrient plays a significant role in supporting your immune system and promoting healthy skin, offering protection against oxidative stress. Understanding the right intake is key. Most adults generally require about 15 milligrams of vitamin E each day. You can find this nutrient abundantly in foods like almonds, sunflower seeds, and wheat germ oil. Leafy green vegetables, such as spinach, are also excellent sources. If dietary intake isn't enough, supplements offer a convenient way to meet your needs. Beyond internal consumption, vitamin E is wonderful for topical application. You can apply vitamin E oil directly to your skin to help moisturize and soothe dry areas. For those with sensitive skin, it's often beneficial to mix it with a carrier oil, like jojoba or almond oil. Always remember to do a small patch test first to ensure no adverse reactions. While beneficial, it's important to use vitamin E safely. Taking very high doses, especially through supplements, can potentially increase your risk of bleeding. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen, particularly if you are on blood-thinning medications. Store your vitamin E supplements in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.